Hi, you find me in a valley not far from where I live. I've been waiting for a couple of hours to come out and shoot when there's some sunlight coming into the valley. And although you can argue it's harsh light and things like that, to get any light coming in and to get those, hopefully some light rays and things like that, that's what the excitement is. Well, I really like this shot. I like the way the light's catching the tree here. I like the way the lights are catching this bridge. This could be my first photograph of the day. The light's just coming in here from the side, from over there where you are. I think this could be a good shot. So I'm going to set up and I'm going to give it a go. What I might look to do is try and do more of a panoramic from obviously from this side across with the bridge into here to get the contrast between that light and dark, but we'll have a look. Okay, so I've set up here, and what I'm looking to try and do is bring my finger in. I like the way the light's just catching this tree here. I've got some light up in this background here. It's just catching the bridge there. Now I'm probably going to go and take some closer in shots, but I quite like the way this path leads you into the shot as well. So what I'm going to try and do is just do a little bit of a pano like that. I don't want too much here. So I'm really sort of coming in from the side of the shot, I'll be coming into here and then bringing in that there. So let's just see what it's going to look like. And if it's any good, here it is. Now, I've just set up, and what I'm looking at is the height of these. Now, it does kind of blow out the highlights at the top, but there's just something so powerful about the whole thing. I'm going to give it a go and just see what it looks like. The way the light's coming in across is just, I think it could be a good shot. I framed it up, so I've just got these two trees only. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take different exposure shots of it to see what it looks like. So I'm just going to turn that down a little bit. And we'll see how that looks. Now it's a bit darker down here, so I may have to try and exposure stack as well, because the contrast is pretty phenomenal here. But I do like that. Well, I've come across this scene and I love these trees here, and why I'm just dissecting them is because I don't want to see the blue sky, but I love the colours, the contrast between the light of the bark and then obviously you've got all the copper coming here, and you've just got this bit of so I would say a branch here just taking us into the shot. I love the idea of the colours behind. It's just there's a diffused light coming through. I just love the shot, and I hope that it captures this moment of light. If it's any good, here it is.